Brother.
They're here, they're finally here. Ethan, they're here. They look awesome. Sweet.
Man, mine is so much cooler than yours.
I don't think.
I got an idea.
I don't hear this.
We'll settle this with. Okay, here's what we do. Follow me. Come on and get some Nerf blasters.
Stop.
Grab this one. Alright, this one's got wheels. Alright, here's how it goes. You have your side, which is over there. Alright, follow me. Alright, we have one wristband right here. Band, and I can get mine.
But mine's inside.
It's an all-arena battle, duh. Okay, grab some boxes. We can put these around the house and build stuff with them.
Or we can just jump off the roof.
No thanks.
I'll just a suggestion. Yeah!
All right, on your marks. How do close up these boxes so fast?
Who's got all these boxes?
Ah!
I found a better weapon than you.
You only found one weapon.
Oh man.
I'm gonna run outside and get my dirt.
I heard that.
Aha!
Bad idea.
Doesn't look good. Aha!
Step away from the bed. They're stuck back there. Just give up. Uh-oh.
Well, I got it first, obviously. I'm so much better.
No, that's a lie.
Are you sure about that? I'm gonna give you the count of 3 to say I won. Yeah, I know, but it was really fun though, right? Hey guys, this week we got these because we only have limited supply.
This is crazy madness.
Comment this week comes from,
And that's if you guys go. Picture this week comes from Everett.
dude, you're a goat. Like our Facebook page and our Instagram page. Like and subscribe, and we're out of here.
Who took the cookie from the cookie jar? Panda took the cookie from the cookie jar.
Who, me?
Yes, you.
Not me.
Then who?
Rabbit.
Who took the cookie from the cookie jar? Rabbit took the cookie from the cookie jar.
Who, me?
Yes, you.
Not me.
Then who?
Bear.
Who took the cookie from the cookie jar? Bear took the cookie from the cookie jar.
Who, me?
Yes, you.
Not me.
Then who? Penguin. Who took the cookie from the cookie jar? Penguin took the cookie from the cookie jar.
Who, me?
Yes, you.
Not me.
Then who?
Kangaroo.
Who took the cookie from the cookie jar? Kangaroo took the cookie from the cookie jar.
Who, me?
Yes, you.
Okay, okay. I took the cookie. I took the cookie from the cookie jar. The yummy, yummy cookie from the cookie jar. Are you hungry? Let's share. Who wants some cookie?
I do. Me.
Me,
I
me,
do.
me,
Yeah.
me, yeah,
I do.
I do.
Your phone's ringing.
Mom and Dad are leaving, and Aunt JC's gonna watch us today.
And JC's coming.
He always tricks us.
Yeah. Make sure to not trick anybody that doesn't want to get tricked.
All right.
What do you think we should do to her?
I don't know. I think I got.
We need to check where she is.
I wonder where the boys are.
Wait, I got an idea. Wait, what? We're gonna get her to use the faucet.
That's a good question. What if we do this?
We don't even know.
We'd sneak in and do it.
I'm gonna sneak in. We can do other things too.
Yeah, that'll be epic. So like, she comes to dry off, and there's like a big bug right there. So no matter where she goes, she's gonna get tricked twice.
I'll get the confetti and the fake book. Oh my gosh, I remember this stuff.
Hey, you remember these? Long. All right, we're all set. Where is he?
Come on, let's speed this up.
All right.
This is probably it.
Like so overpowered. All right, I got the stuff.
The stuff up though.
All right, you give me all the stuff. You go cause a distraction.
Okay.
Oh, what's this? Okay, Ethan and Cole. I'm prepared for you. Oh, I'm gonna get him back.
No, it's
Oh, that's a lot of string. Hello, boys.
Doing?
Oh, just working. Not a big deal. It was totally fun.
Yeah, fun.
Oh my gosh, did you guys see the fish in the pool?
Fish in the pool.
Wow.
Please.
Out of the pool. So, whatever you guys want to do.
She's definitely trying to prank us. Let's go see what she's up to.
It's in the pool.
I'm not trying to mess around, boys. I swear, it's right here. I just can't get this out.
We'll show her how we do it.
Look, I have nothing. Down here?
Yeah, over there.
Okay, I'm far away. Now check for the... It's a little further down there. Keep looking. That's what you get, haha.
Not bad, pretty clever, pretty clever.
Oh, I totally won this round. I can't wait to tell Aunt Jenna.
Yeah, so R.I.P. Jason.